Hi all, welcome to Tech Forum. In this video, let us see how to fix the audio issue with PowerPoint. Can't hear the audio after recording in PowerPoint. I was trying to record audio in PowerPoint slideshow, but somehow can't hear the audio after recording. The audio was recorded into the timeline and also able to hear the other embedded audios. Okay, let me show what I was doing. So I was trying to record audio from this slideshow. So record slideshow and record from current slide or the from the beginning. So if I click on that, okay, if I click on the record, yes, I'm able to record it. So the timeline is running and everything looking fine. But when I do a playback, if I stop it and do a playback, somehow I was not able to hear the audio. So the issue got fixed after following the below steps. I was facing this issue in Dell laptop with Windows 10. So what I did is I went to sound setting, open sound settings. Yeah, here you go into advanced sound options. So here you can see all the app what is currently using the audio. So ensure the you can click reset first, so then ensure the volume is set as expected. So the same configuration can be done from here also by right clicking on the volume control in the taskbar. Okay, right click on this and click this open volume mixer. So here you can see all these apps currently using the audio. So here also you can change this volume setting. So now another change what we need to do is, like, because we were able to play the other embedded videos, so it's a problem with the input. So for that, again, let me go get back to this sound settings, go back. So here you can see the input. So you can click on this device properties. So here you need to ensure the volume is set as expected. So if the volume is set very low, you will not be able to hear the audio. So set this maybe to 100%. Even you can do a test. If you do a test, you can see this sound coming. So after that, once this is completed, so if you record it again, if you go back here and record it, so now let me record it and play it. Maybe already I recorded. Yeah, so the same video I am recording, so I'm able to hear the audio. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you in next video.